Let me show you how we can set up voice control on iPhone 16e. So first of all, open settings. In settings, we need to find and go to accessibility. Then over here, scroll down a little bit to find voice control. And there we go. At the top, we can set up voice control. Over here, we can also choose our language that we want to use. So let's say I'm going to switch to English United States and then press done in the top right corner. And then we can press continue. Over here, we have some example voice commands that we can use. So for example, we can say open and then the application name in order to open a specific app. We can also close it like that, or just say close application. We can open Control Center, close it, go home, go back, stop listening, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, the list goes on and on. So there's quite a bit of features that we can use, quite a bit of voice commands, and we can press simply done. If needed, we can go back to the voice control tutorial or actually open it in order to see how it works. So here we have learn how to use voice control. We can tap over here in order to start using the tutorial to learn a little bit more about the voice control. Over here we have the first example, show numbers. So if I say out loud show numbers, let's see if it works. Maybe one more time. Show numbers. Show numbers. There we go. Finally it works. Okay. And if I don't move the finger on the screen, as you can see, I can find those numbers labels next to specific options. So I can say the number out loud in order to use that option or to turn on or off the switches. For example, if I say 9, number 9 was used and it disabled show hint because the number 9 is assigned to that option. So this is how we can use it. This is how we can use the voice control. We can also find the voice tutorial over here in case you need it, and that's pretty much it. And in the future, if you want to turn this option off, we can just tap on the switcher again. And if you want to use voice control but you want to deactivate it, then just say stop listening. Stop listening. There we go, finally. So sometimes you have to be really close to the phone to make it work. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!